Today now we explain to coordinate geometry. First topic is straight lines. So first of all, if a straight line makes an angle theta, this theta is between 0 to pi with x-axis from positive direction, then this theta is called inclination of the line. That means we have to write this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. We have to go the line in positive direction. This inclination is nothing but theta. This is the slope of the straight line. Okay. Then the slope of the line or gradient of the line is denoted by small m is equal to tan theta. Okay. Let us see the slope or gradient of a line passing through 2 points. Okay. So here A is the one point, this is nothing but x1 and y1, and B is another point, that is x2 and y2. The slope of gradient passing through this line 2 points, then small m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for slope of the 2 points passing through the line. Okay. Next, we have to take two lines with slopes m1 and m2 are parallel. If and only if their slopes are equal. Okay, that means m1 is equal to m2. This is the first point. Okay, next another point is if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. And the next point is if m1 and m2 are two slopes of two lines and theta is the angle between two lines, then here m1 m2 are slopes of two lines and theta is the angle between two lines, then tan theta, here tan theta, this is nothing but slope, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the very important points of straight line. Let us see various forms of a straight line and also we see an examples of straight lines. Okay. So the first one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So here first of all we have to take, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. We have to see a line with the slope theta. This is the intercept form. Okay. Here equation of the line having slope m and make an intercept. Make an intercept C in y axis. Okay, this is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to tan theta. This is the formula for slope and intercept form. Let us see one example for this slope intercept form. Okay. Find the equation of a straight line where slope is root 3 and y-intercept 5. So here the problem we are given slope is root 3, that means m is equal to root 3, and we have also give y-intercept c is equal to 5. Now the equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is root 3 x plus c is 5. This is the equation of slope intercept form. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next model is point slope form. So we have to give one point and slope value, then find the equation of straight line. Okay. So the formula is like a point P is x1 comma y1 and slope m is given. Then find the straight line equation is, the formula for straight line equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula for point and slope form. Okay. Let us see example of this particular formula. Find the equation of a straight line passing through -5, 2 and having slope m is equal to -1/2. This is the problem. Here given the values are, and point is given, that is -5 and 2, and also slope value is given. So now we find the straight line equation. So formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here this is the x1 and this is the y1, this is the point, and m is the -1/2. Like substitute these values in the formula. So the equation of a straight line passing through the point and having slope is. Okay, we have to write the value y minus, here y1 is minus 5 is equal to, here m means minus 1 by 2 and x minus x1 means, sorry, y minus y1 means 2, x minus of minus 5. Okay, here y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x plus 5. So here minus 2 is the denominator, this is convert to this side, then multiply this number. 2 into y, 2y minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 5. Okay, that means 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x minus 5. You have to take this one this side. So minus x is come this side, then plus value plus 2y minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line passing through the point and having a slope m is equal to minus 1 by 2 value. This is the problem for point and slope form. Thank you for watching.